Hello, my name is Braden Cousins, and this is my final video project for Chem108. My element was platinum. What does this element look like, protons, neutrons, and electrons wise? And I stated that platinum has 78 protons, 78 electrons, and 118 neutrons on average. Its atomic number is 78, and its atomic weight is 195.04. Where is the element found in nature? Platinum is a rare metal that is found in the Earth's crust in a variety of geological formations, which include alluvial deposits, igneous rocks, and placer deposits. And the most common minerals containing platinum are sperrylite, which is also known as platinum arsenide, and cooperite, which is also known as platinum sulfide. The natural abundance of platinum is low compared to most other elements. Although it was one of the rarest elements on Earth, it is most abundant in the Earth's core and mantle, and the extraction of platinum in the core and mantle is very difficult. So most of the world's platinum comes from these deposits that are near the surface. 80% of the world's platinum comes from South Africa and the Sudbury Basin of Canada. And South Africa is the leading producer of platinum, coming from the Bushveld Igneous Complex, which is a geological formation rich with platinum-bearing ores near the surface. Are there more than one naturally occurring isotope? There are 6 isotopes of platinum that naturally occur. The most important isotopes would be platinum-190, which accounts for 1/3 of all platinum on Earth, and this is because it's the most stable form of platinum. How is the element isolated from its naturally occurring form to its elemental form? And platinum is mined underground and then is milled and then crushed down into very fine particles. The milled extract is then mixed with water and chemicals to separate the platinum from other metals in the ore, and this is known as froth flotation. The froth is then dried and heated in a furnace, more commonly known as smelting. And after smelting, when the platinum is in its matte form, it is refined to remove impurities from the platinum, ensuring that it will be in its purest form. And I found an equation online that describes the platinum refining process using the Sherrod-Gordon process, and it was platinum sulfide 2 plus 2 chlorine 2 equals platinum plus 2 chlorine 2 sulfur. And what are 2 or 3 common uses for this element, and does it have any interesting properties? One of the most common uses for this element that I did not know previously is the production of catalytic converters. And another common usage for platinum is jewelry. And platinum is used very commonly in jewelry because of its durability, purity, and beauty. And platinum has a unique shine and luster, which is the reason why it's used in a lot of high-end jewelry pieces. Some special properties of platinum include its ductility and malleability, which essentially means it could change forms like into a sheet of platinum, for example, without breaking. And another property of platinum is that it doesn't corrode or tarnish in air or water. And this is beneficial for its chemical uses as well as its usage in high-end jewelry. The durability and ability to resist corrosion leads platinum to be used in circumstances where durability and high resistance are wanted and necessary. And another interesting property of platinum is that its high melting and boiling point make it useful for high temperature applications, like catalytic converters, for example. And overall, the properties and unique qualities of platinum make it a highly useful and valuable in a lot of different fields. And finally, how my chosen element can impact my day-to-day life. My first example is that platinum is used in catalytic converters, which are installed in vehicles nowadays to help reduce the harmful emissions of cars' exhaust. And it does this by transferring the exhaust emissions into less harmful gases before releasing them into the air. And along with platinum, palladium and rhodium are 2 other elements used in catalytic converters. And if you're wondering if that's an important application, the importance is proven by an Illinois law that states that driving without a catalytic converter in your car is a Class 4 felony. And by helping cut back on these harmful emissions, my daily life is impacted by the air quality, just like everyone else's is, and from all the cars that drive around us every day. My second example is that platinum's usage in the electronics industry, more specifically, although it's used for a variety of products, most specifically LCD screens or disk drives or optical fibers. An LCD screen consists of your smartphone, a computer, your TV, or any type of screen you'd use nowadays. And platinum is actually an important factor for displaying high quality images on these screens. And like most people today, I couldn't imagine my daily life as a student without LCD screens on things like TVs, computers, our phones. And finally, my third example is that platinum is also used in the medical industry and has saved countless lives. It's platinum-based drugs like cisplatin and carboplatin are used to treat ovarian, testicular, and lung cancer. And if you or someone you know is diagnosed with cancer, it's very possible that platinum-based drugs will be used primarily in their treatment. And although this might not affect your life on a day-to-day basis, it's important to note that it's used every day to save countless lives in cancer treatment. And that is it. So thank you.